friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking microwave popcorn. So what we need is microwave popcorn in bags. So I'm just going to open the package and take out the bag. So here's the microwavable bag of popcorn. It should have the instruction which side is down, which side is up. So this particular bag says this side down. So take notice of this. And now I will put it in the microwave. So even though the instructions in the bag say 1 minute and 45 seconds, that's usually not enough for most microwaves. I always put it on for 2 minutes. So let's take it to the microwave and put the bag of popcorn with the correct side facing down. It says this side down. And I will microwave it for 2 minutes on high. So now the microwave is done cooking. Look at that. The bag is so big because all the popcorn has popped. Now let's carefully take it out of the microwave. Now this is hot, so be careful. And now I will open the bag and dump it in a bowl. Look at that. This popcorn looks amazing. Delicious. And see, with 2 minutes of cooking time, I hardly see any of the unpopped popcorns. They all have popped. Now the microwave is different power, so if in your microwave you see there's some unpopped kernels, then you would increase the cooking time, but 2 minutes on high should be a good timing for most microwave. This looks so good. Look at that. I'm so excited about trying this popcorn. Now let's try it. Perfectly crunchy, so hot and delicious. This is a perfect easy party snack. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!